Funky.
Hip hop.
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. It's been a while, but it's just that it's too hot in my kitchen to do videos. I've been shopping as usual, and I'm gonna try to keep this really fast. I have the Google Wi-Fi since it came out, 2016. And I'm not super happy with it, but it's okay. It works fine. It's okay. And now this year, maybe last year, Google showed two new products. The Google Nest Wi-Fi that has the more rounder design, and where one of them, the router one, not the bridge parts, are a speaker as well, a smart speaker. And I thought that all of the three in the mesh system, all of them were speakers, but they are not, and that made me disappointed. And then they had the Google Wi-Fi that they say is new, but it is really not actually. It's same. So I'm going to show you the differences, because there are only two differences. On the old one, you have a G printed, and on the new one, you have a G laser stitch. I don't know what it's called. And on the old one, you have USB-C power cable, and on the new one, for some reason, I don't know why, you have the old power connection. And maybe it's cheaper, I don't know. Why do you go from USB-C to something older? But it is cheaper, and that's why that's also why I decided to get this one. So let me show you. This old typical power cable instead of the USB-C. I really don't get it. So yeah, I wanted to upgrade. I needed one more bridge or mesh in the system, and I couldn't get a straight answer from Google about how it would work with the old Google Wi-Fi and the Google Nest Wi-Fi, and it just seemed easier to just buy the older models again, because the pricing, I won't say the price because I always get it wrong, but when I bought the Google Wi-Fi in 2016, I'm pretty sure it was quite a bit over 200 euro. And now you buy the same system for like 125 euro maybe. The Google Nest Wi-Fi cost as much, around those 200 euros. So for me, this time I actually think I'm just going to use one of them for myself, and then the other two to my parents. So yeah, that's the only difference. So this is the older version that is a little bit slower, or not a little bit. The new one is actually twice as fast. The Google Nest Wi-Fi can handle twice as fast information. But I think this is really worth money. I really do. So yeah, that's the difference. They got rid of the USB-C cable. I don't know why at all. I haven't had any problems with the cable. And then instead of like a gray G, you have laser engraved G instead. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, I don't think you will have, so just ask me, because I will answer you faster than Google. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. As I said in the beginning, I had a couple of unboxing videos actually, But one of them, I looked really sweaty. One of them, you could hear the AC in the background, so I just deleted those. But now things are getting cooler. I'm gonna keep on doing my unboxing videos because I do a lot of shopping all the time, every day.